Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to cover a really cool GPT for Sheets function called GPT Classify, which in the way I'll be talking about it in today's video is extremely useful for sorting through and analysing product review data in an e-commerce context. So it goes without saying, if you're using Google Sheets, you'll need to download the plugin GPT for Sheets. I found this to be quite a lengthy process, so I'll go over the specifics of that process in another video. Let's move on to the stage where we have the plugin already installed. So here I have a spreadsheet with a bunch of customer reviews for our products. There's so many reviews varying from customers who had a great experience buying and receiving the product to those less satisfied, and I need to easily and quickly sort through these so the team can filter whichever type of review they need to look at and take away any learnings. So we'll type in the function GPT classify, and first it needs the value or the review it needs to look at first. So I select the cell containing the first review. Now it needs to know the options of sentiments to assign to this review depending on the review's tone. So generally the review sentiment is either going to be positive, negative or neutral. So I enter those in quotation marks as the function's second argument. Now I click enter and it gets to work. The magic of the GPT classify function lies in its ability to perform the sentiment analysis on the reviews. That is the emotional or subjective tone it can detect in the language the customer uses. This is obviously where the AI aspect gets to work and makes the function so useful. It scans the text and determines finally in the cell whether it's positive, negative or neutral. To make the review classification even more versatile, should we, for example, need to search for not only bad reviews, but those which also had a bad experience with delivery, we can add categories beyond just the review sentiment. So if we want to easily filter for more information within a review, let's say we want to categorize reviews based around delivery or problem or those with a question, we add a new column and enter those as the new set of categories for the function and follow the same steps in the new column. Then click to apply the formula all the way down the data set, and there we go. Another layer to filter the reviews by. Now you may think that once we get into the realms of filtering reviews by the keywords like delivery, you can just use the existing way in Google Sheets to do that. This is the case for delivery, but you can't really keyword scan reviews with keywords like problem because customers may not use that word specifically. But the GPT function will be able to decipher whether the reviews fall into one of those brackets. Now I can easily search for circumstances where perhaps the customer is happy about the item they received but had an issue with delivery as they didn't receive the item in time for when it was needed. That's really helpful if I'm working quickly and scanning lots of reviews and need to let a company know of any potential reasons for lots of bad product reviews and what they can do to improve things. So that's all for today's video, looking at GPT for Sheets classify function and how it could be used in a real example to great effect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for another video.